Alright, picture this. You're floating in space, weightless, surrounded by the endless blackness of the cosmos. There's no up or down, just you and the infinite universe stretching in every direction. All around you, stars twinkle like diamonds, galaxies spin in slow cosmic dances, and everything feels peaceful. Until you spot something strange. There's a patch of darkness where light just vanishes, as if the universe itself has a missing piece. That's a black hole. And today, I'm diving into these cosmic mysteries that are stranger than science fiction. Real places where the laws of physics get turned upside down. First off, what even is a black hole? It's one of the most mind-bending objects in the universe. It's not a giant space vacuum cleaner, sucking up everything in sight like some cosmic monster. In fact, if our sun was replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting just as before. A black hole is actually what happens when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself. The gravity becomes so intense, so powerful, that not even light can escape its pull. That's why we call it a black hole. No light, no escape, nada. It's like a trapdoor in the fabric of space. But here's where it gets wild. Black holes aren't just empty voids. They're surrounded by swirling disks of superheated gas and dust, glowing brightly as they spiral in. The edge of a black hole is called the event horizon. It's the ultimate boundary. Cross it, and you're lost to the universe forever. Once you cross it, there's no turning back. Imagine it like the ultimate one-way door in the universe, a point of no return where the rules of reality break down. If you fell in, you wouldn't even notice the exact moment you crossed the line. To you, everything would seem normal, until things get really weird. But from the outside, people would see you appear to freeze in place, stretched and squeezed by the insane gravity, like cosmic spaghetti, pulled thinner and thinner. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. No, I'm not making that up. It's a real scientific term for what happens when gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. So, do black holes just gobble up everything in their path? Not really. Most things actually orbit around them, just like planets orbit stars. They're more like cosmic librarians, keeping records of everything that falls in. The information about what goes in might be hidden, but it's not necessarily lost forever. Stephen Hawking even discovered that black holes can slowly evaporate over time, thanks to something called Hawking radiation, like a super slow leak in space, taking billions of years to disappear. Now, here's something that blows my mind. Black holes aren't just science fiction, they're real, and we have actual evidence. In 2019, scientists snapped the very first photo of a black hole at the center of galaxy M87 using a network of telescopes all around the world. It looked like a blurry orange donut, but that's basically photographic proof that black holes exist. It was a historic moment for science and astronomy. And get this, there might be a supermassive black hole at the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, millions of times more massive than our sun. Don't panic though, it's 26,000 light-years away. That's so far, it would take light itself 26,000 years to get there. We're in no danger. So why do black holes matter? They're not just cosmic oddities. They're key to understanding how galaxies form, how stars live and die, and even how the universe itself began. Because they help us understand how the universe works, from the tiniest particles to the biggest galaxies. Black holes connect the smallest scales of quantum physics to the largest scales of cosmology. They challenge everything we think we know about time, space, and even reality itself. Near a black hole, time slows down, space gets warped, and the rules of physics get seriously weird. If you're curious, keep asking questions and exploring. The more we learn, the more mysterious and fascinating the universe becomes. The universe is full of mysteries, and black holes are just the start. There's so much more out there waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride. See you in the next video. Until then, keep looking up and wondering what's out there.